This is a handheld, fully standalone Rubik's Cube solver. Now let's be honest, this is probably one of those useless projects. We already have smartphones and you can download tons of apps that work way better than this. So on paper, it's completely useless, but I built this because I wanted something to play with together with my kids. That said, I don't want them touching smartphone all day and I want to help them think more creatively through physical hand-on gadgets. To solve a cube, the device scans all 6 faces using its camera. Now real-world lighting isn't always perfect, which means camera color detection can sometimes misidentify a sticker. That's why I built a manual review feature. If a color gets misread, you don't need to rescan the whole thing, simply tap the wrong cell on the touch display and pick the correct color manually before confirming. It checks all valid color patterns on the fly, making sure the cube state is 100% correct before solving. Once validated, the ESP-32 calculates the full solution instantly. It gives you step-by-step instructions on the screen, complete with the turn arrows and the 2D map of the cube. You just follow the arrows move by move, and before you know it, the cube is fully solved without ever touching a phone or connecting to the internet. Now I'm aware of there are many different ways to solve Rubik's Cube. Right now, this uses a standard layer by layer method rather than a fully move optimized algorithm, but I plan to implement more advanced solving algorithms as I take this project to the next level. Under the hood, it's powered by ESP-32S3 with a 2-inch touch LCD, OV5640 camera, and LiPo battery. Everything fits neatly inside a custom 3D printed case with a physical power switch, making it completely portable and ready to play anywhere. All the source code and 3D printing files are available on my GitHub. Check the link in the description and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, see you in the next project.